Oh. She doesn't forget her course.
She won't. Steve's going to read it.
No, he's not.
Why?
She told us not to. She forgot to salute.
What's she doing?
She forgot to salute.
No, she doesn't stop and salute.
Oh, she doesn't?
No.
Oh.
But she goes to M first?
Yeah.
Was that correct?
That's correct.
So it was some weird virus that was
I can't believe it came back down.
and then it went away. And then he's never had it since. Well, but you know,
Nice transition.
Beautiful test.
Easy.
Beautiful canner. Oh my god.
right, but I mean, that's probably a good idea to
Look at that.
It's relaxed. It's good.
Oh god, it's relaxed.
Easy. Easy.
Oh, a hoe here. We need a hoe here.
There she goes. There she did it. Can you clap after a dressage test?
Yes, I'm clapping.
Okay.
But we have to be careful with what's going on in there.
Okay.
So we can't hoot and holler like I normally do. Great. I'm
I'm impressed. Big change from yesterday?
the light went off yesterday, Darcy. I wasn't joking. What a good boy he is.
Everybody's really deficient in vitamin D. You know, it's really, I don't know now. I just they had it.
I think we've got a couple of people looking actually at him.
Yep. They're like, how much are you asking? I'm like, I don't know. You need to talk to Jamie.
Courtney, doesn't he look good?
He looks great. He looks so cute.
He's come along, right?
Yeah, definitely. He's filled out of it.
And Grace has never done a dressage test in her life, and he's never done one.
Oh, they look so cute together.
Gotta do something with that name up here.
Easy. Easy.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Nice transition. Good transition sounds easy.
Let me tell you, this canner work looks really good.
Right, easy.
Little offensive there. Good corners, Grace.
Yeah, but it was so weird because Alex had the same
Easy.
thing. He had allergies and he had this
Beautiful downwards.
mono-like thing. It wasn't mono and it wasn't Epstein-Barr.
Does she know how to salute?
I'm sure Steve went over.
Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi. How are you? You made it. Good job. You were so confused. You were confused.
Oh, I got to kiss my baby. Was that awesome?
Yeah.
Nope. Okay.
Good job. Oh. Woo, woo, woo.
And your second day together.
Oh my god.
It's only the second day she's...
I don't know.